going to see now the source follower as a voltage series feedback amplifier. Here the method of sampling is voltage and the method of mixing is series. We have a shunt connection at the output end and series connection at the input end. Let us see now the practical circuit of voltage series feedback amplifier. It's nothing but a source follower circuit. The output voltage is taken across the resistance connected between the source and the ground. And the feedback voltage is also the voltage across the source resistance, which is connected in series with the external input voltage. Hence, this circuit is a practical example of voltage series feedback amplifier. Next comes the analysis of this voltage series feedback amplifier circuit. The first step is to draw the amplifier equivalent circuit, eliminating the feedback but taking the loading of the beta network into account. This circuit can be drawn by finding the input circuit by setting V0 equal to 0, in other words, shorting the output node. Next, the output circuit can be obtained by setting input current II equal to 0, in other words, open circuiting the input loop. Next, replacing this active device by the small signal model, we will be able to draw the small signal equivalent circuit. The JFET small signal equivalent circuit is given by gate to source junction open circuited always, and between the drain and the source I have the current source whose value is Gm into Vs in parallel with the drain resistance. Now we'll start our analysis by calculating the voltage gain AV from the small signal equivalent circuit. Voltage gain is a ratio of the output voltage to that of input voltage V0 by Vi. V0 is expressed as the output current multiplied by the output load resistance. Here the output current is given by Gm into Vs and the load resistance is given by Rd into capital R divided by small rd plus capital R. And since here the gate to source voltage is open circuited, Vi is equal to Vs, and cancelling Vs both numerator and denominator, I get Gm into Rd into capital R divided by Rd plus R. This mu is nothing but Gm into Rd, which we denote it as the transconductance. So AV is given as mu into capital R divided by small rd plus capital R. Next comes the desensitivity factor and voltage gain with feedback. The desensitivity factor is denoted by the letter capital D given by 1 plus beta into AV. Here in this voltage series feedback topology, beta is equal to 1 since my feedback voltage is equal to the output voltage, and substituting the value of the voltage gain from the above expression, I get the desensitivity factor as small rd plus 1 plus mu into capital R divided by small rd plus capital R. Next comes the voltage gain with feedback. That is the ratio of the voltage gain without feedback to that of the desensitivity factor. Substituting the value of AV and the desensitivity factor, I can express AVF as mu into R divided by Rd plus 1 plus mu into R. Next comes the input resistance Ri. Here from the equivalent circuit, gate to source junction is open circuited and therefore I have my input resistance equal to infinity. Also Rif is given by Ri into D, which is also equal to infinity since Ri is equal to infinity. Our next parameter is the output resistance. Output resistance is calculated based on the two assumptions. First one is by not considering the external load RL. Let ROF be the output resistance with feedback, not considering the external load, given by RO divided by 1 plus beta into AV. Here, if we do not consider the load resistance RL, then small rd will become the load resistance. So R0 is equal to Rd, therefore ROF is given by Rd divided by 1 plus mu. Next case is considering R. Let ROF dash be the output resistance with feedback considering the load resistance RL, that is given by RO dash to that of the desensitivity factor D. Here R naught dash is given by the parallel combination of small rd and capital R, written by this expression R into rd divided by R plus small rd, multiplied by the reciprocal of the desensitivity factor given by Rd plus R divided by Rd plus 1 plus mu into R. Solving this, I get ROF dash as capital R into small rd divided by Rd plus 1 plus mu into R. Also note that ROF is equal to limit R tends to infinity ROF dash, that is equal to Rd divided by 1 plus mu. With this, we have seen the source follower analysis as a voltage series feedback amplifier.